So this is Chippy at CeBIT 2008. We're at the Gigabyte stand with Kelly Lou. And Kelly Lou's going to show us the M528 mid. This is the Intel-based device. And we'll also have a look at the M700, which is a VIA-based device. So Kelly, do you want to show us the M528?
Okay, it's my pleasure to introduce our Gigabyte product this year. There are two focus this year in CeBIT. One is this one. This is MID, stand for the mobile internet device. It means you can access internet everywhere by Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and SHDPA. These three things bundled in this product. So you just connect internet to use the browser and instant message, everything by this machine. So let me demo that for you guys.
Yep.
It's like first we use the Linux OS, Ubuntu.
Yeah, so we should say this is a beta version of Ubuntu Mobile, which is finished in April, I think. So this is the first time we've had a good look at Ubuntu Mobile, so it's good to see it here. So demo that.
So we can see these things like the iPhone. You could just use a stylus to do it. Okay, we check the web, okay? Because this is a mobile device.
So the UI is looking really nice, actually, very smooth. The Ubuntu guys have done a nice job so far. Yeah. So per icon stand for per function. So you just press that, and you're looking for the web browser. So instead in this course, we use a Wi-Fi. Okay. Okay. So this is based on Intel Menlo platform, which is now Centrino Atom. It's the new brand. And this is 600 or 800 megahertz with 512 megs of
memory on board.
And this is a flash-based disk, yeah?
Yeah, 4 gig SSD.
4 gig SSD, okay.
Yeah. So now you can see we start the web browser here. So that you type the link you want to access here.
Yeah.
You could use a stylus or use a QWERTY key.
Yeah.
And that's this. Slide. Okay, so we
should I type something in? The browser, I think, is based on Firefox 3. Firefox 3 beta. They're using the Firefox 3 engine for Ubuntu Mobile. So all the plugins, there'll be support for plugins as well. And it's not the desktop version, they've optimized the UI and the UI around it.
Sorry that, because our Wi-Fi VPN doesn't work.
Oh, okay, so we can't show the browsing at the moment. We'll get a demo of that later.
Yeah. So maybe we use other like tools.
So what are the main pieces of software you've got in, the main functionality? You've got web browsing.
Yeah.
Have you got information management like contact management, calendar, address book as well? Yeah.
But now you can see a lot of icons.
Okay.
So like the tools, right? You just press that. There are a lot of functions like dictionary, zip, and ebook.
Okay.
Right?
Ebook.
You just save your content inside. Right?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so check it out the setting, Bluetooth, everything. The calendar.
Yeah. So the second level menu pops up above, which is quite nice, and then presumably to get it away, just click that away. And on the side here you've got some indicators showing the status of the various radios, so Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, presumably there's a 3G indicator there, or no, yeah, that's probably a 3G. That's a volume, then 3G, then Bluetooth, then Wi-Fi.
Yeah, and the battery life.
And the battery life. Okay.
So there are dual cameras.
Okay.
Front is 300K web camera for the conference call.
Yep.
And back side is a 3 megapixel.
3 megapixel.
Autofocus.
Autofocus, which is actually a first on a UMPC, because a lot of the UMPCs have 1.3 megapixel fixed focus, plastic lens, very horrible quality, and to see a 3 megapixel autofocus camera is a real advantage. People can actually use this in a photographic mode, and you've got a camera release button on the top, so that's nice. So Kelly, do you have any information about the release date, the price, territories, the markets you're going for on this one?
Okay, Gigabyte will launch its product around the end of June or early of July.
End of June, early July, okay.
Q2 and Q3 first. And our target price is around €700, including VAT.
Okay.
But it's a roughly idea.
Yeah.
Because we will modify our price based on the customer demand in the market.
Yeah.
And I think the market will focus on first for the Germany and the United Kingdom.
Yeah.
Of course, for the other region.
Okay, so on initial launch, we're looking at Europe, not just Asia. Europe.
Yeah, Europe.
Sorry, I'm just trying to get back round here again. So that again is €700 inclusive tax, targeting end of Q2, start of Q3, and looking at Germany, UK, depending on the feedback from your distributors, of course, because that always changes things.
Yeah.
And we set the price target of 700, so that's good. That's impressive with 3G, with GPS included, with the 4 gig flash. Will you do a high-end model with more flash memory?
Maybe, but now the standard is 4G.
Okay.
But depends on the market demand. If we want more capacity, we're going first to the 8G.
Okay, good. Well, since I first saw this, been quite a fan of the design, so I'm looking forward to seeing it as soon as possible. Don't forget to send us an early sample.